Welcome to another episode of Pakistan on a Plate. My name is Nilofer Afridi Qazi. Today we will learn how to make cheese, quick and simple, lovely, sweet and savoury from my friend Ilona Yusuf. Cheese is a lovely snack and a great addition to your party table. This one is made from fresh milk and yogurt, or it can also be from packaged milk and yogurt. We will first boil the milk and yogurt 1 kilo or liter each over a medium heat. After about 10-15 minutes, the milk separates into lovely curdles. The water is actually called Whey. Did you know? Whey powder is given to cancer patients because they have so many antioxidants. Whey is the most nutritious part of milk products. It is this water which is drained out of this cheese. Let the separated curdles rest and cool down for about 30 minutes. Enjoy a cup of tea or coffee while you wait. We had a lovely conversation about art and furniture, which Ilona beautifully makes. Back to the cheese. In a clean cheesecloth or muslin cloth about 18 inches by 18 inches, you can cut into a pyramid triangle. Pour the cooled milk curdles and hang it for approximately 2-3 hours in a cool area. After about 2 hours or 3, you can season now the dried cheese, which has a little bit of moisture still. Knead in the various condiments you want your cheese to have. I used fresh crushed black pepper, sea salt and green onions. You can use garlic if you like. For the sweet cheese, I used sugar cane or gur and chopped finely apricots. I also crushed toasted walnuts. Refrigerate the cheese within the cheesecloth or muslin for a few hours or a day before serving. The cheese lasts about a week. Cheese is a healthy snack and a lovely addition to any occasion. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, this is Nilofer Qazi. Check out all the write-ups on Nilofer's Corner on Facebook. Thank you.